idea. Green elephants. A magical brew of giant green elephants. To back down the walls of... An elephant never forgets. An elephant never forgets. Whatever it happens to be, large or small. An elephant never forgets. An elephant never forgets. There's nothing a pachyderm cannot recall. Would it please you to hear the table of weights and measures, or an itemized list of any sultan's treasures? Or who hates who in a Tennessee Williams plot? Believe it or not, an elephant never forgets. An elephant never forgets. But please don't ask us because we forgot.
Do you think it's time for the silver box now?
Well, she said open only in case of dire emergency. I guess this is pretty dire.
Honey, you'll never find anything direr. Ow! Hurry! Hurry!
It won't open.
Press the spring!